Janam Society and Airport Authority of India signed Memorandum of Agreement to open 4.94 crore rupees worth Accident Trauma Center at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science. Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Vihan Kalyan recommissioned Central Dairy Cyst Plant at Porompat. Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah kicks off 12th Manipur Pineapple Festival in Chorchampur. Governor worries over high cost in exporting local pineapples. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee warns to ban railway works by September 6 if Chief Minister's assurance for inclusion of Meitei community in Scheduled Tribe list is not put into action. Body of missing A. Uttamjit found in the woods 1 kilometer away from Kongkang village this morning. And former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh takes oath as member of Rajya Sabha today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. Watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Janam Society and Airport Authority of India (AAI) have signed a memorandum of agreement to open an accident trauma center with added essential equipments at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science, Janam's Porompat. Airport Authority of India will invest 4.94 crore rupees for the project under its Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR). Speaking on the sidelines at the conference held of Chief Minister's Secretariat in Babupara today, President of Janam Society cum Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren lauded the Airport Authority of India for its cooperation with altruistic intention towards the state with no worries for the volume or amount required for the project. He added that AAI gave the state an ambulance worth 35 lakh rupees and constructed 20 toilet complex worth 1.5 crore rupees each in Imphal West District and Chandal District under its CSR initiatives. Birent also mentioned that Tata Company also sponsored football training games and initiatives are underway to promote polo games. Mentioning that a milk center has also been opened in Taubal, Chief Minister Biren regretted that many such development projects remain unaware to the public. Biren disclosed that state government will host first ever Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR) conclave in the state to highlight the same on September 6, participated by altogether 70 firms and corporates. Eminent representatives of Janam Society and Airport Authority of India took part in the meet.
One concern I want to request to the authority of Janim's hospital, we need the everything with quality. The equipments which is going to be procured should be never compromise on quality. So whatever might be the agency, whatever might be the company, our priority should be on quality. Manipur we're having shortage of revenue. Economically, we're depending mainly on center. And we do not know much about this CSR. But something has already started earlier. But most of the peoples in the state doesn't care about this CSR. But this time, we came to know the importance and the benefit. Accordingly, we are inviting the most of the medias so that it can be a move to awaken the peoples who are residing in the state.
Speaking on the sidelines, AAI Regional Executive Director Northeast Sanjeev Jindal claimed that various initiatives were undertaken in the state under Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR) of the Airport Authority of India. He assured that efforts are on to upgrade Imphal International Airport to a world-class airport.
Construction, maintenance, operation and upgradation of airports. We are also working hard for the underprivileged, and in that underprivileged upgradation, helping health sector is our first area. Another first area is education. And very soon, with the efforts of Honorable CM, we will be starting one of its world-class airport terminal building and upgradation of airport with a cost of more than 600 crores.
Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Vihan Kalian recommissioned the central dairy plant at Porompa today. He also launched a 45-ton milk labeled as Chumthang, which has vitamin A and D produced in the plant at an event held at Hotel Classic North AOC. Manipur Milk Producers Cooperative Union Limited manufactured the milk following FSI guidelines under National Dairy Development Board, NDDB, annulled and Tiny Tata Trust India. Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Commissioner Suman Singh, Director Dr. H. Chauba, Registrar Cooperative Society Robert Singh Ketrimayum, Executive Director of NDDB Anand Minesha, Senior Advisor of Tiny Tata Trust Vivek Arora were present on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Minister Vihan Kalian asserted that Chumthang will address scarcity of milk in the state to an extent. He disclosed that government is discussing on extension of period for the union to check the dairy plant, stating that further technical guidelines for National Dairy Development Board is required to undertake various dairy development projects by the plant. Minister Vihan Kalian drew the attention of the board members present at the event to come up with various projects considering for the welfare of dairy farmers and other inhabitants of the state.
The center plant which we had launched and inaugurated at Porompat is actually government dairy. The Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry had managing the dairy till it was handed over to the Manipur Milk Producers Cooperative Union with effect from 1st July 2010. MOU, a Memorandum of Understanding, was signed for handing over the dairy between the state government and the milk union. We are in the process of extending the term of MOU in order that Manipur Milk Union will continue to handle the dairy plant for the benefit of the public.
Speaking to media, MD of Central Dairy Plant, Dr. A.N.G. Ibotombi asserted that the newly commissioned Central Dairy Plant can produce maximum 20,000 litres per day, stating that the plant produces 6,000 litres fortified milk enriched with vitamin A and vitamin D per day at present. He also stated that packaging of the milk is certified by FSI.
Central Dairy Ladiba, Sangom City, Dairy Technology da Chatlaba, Hairaba, expert Kamu Mayam Singina, Koichi Putopani, protein, fat, calcium, Mayam Singchi, law indication to we do fat percentage, Koimium, Sab, the Irailan to Mungamba, Adigi SNF, solid not fat. 8.5 ta koi phatana register ga hari putosi am qualified oiba standard oiba sangom makhalamani harbisi akoina launch tawdri mamang ta chu hongna koi national dairy development board tata gi harbising se sample sing che moi laga yengi kodak kodak ta anwai sample je testing tom da akoi gi milk se pura standard ore hadana moina su akoi da sage fasai na su koi licensing pirki ading matakta hoju che launch story base masi makoina ayaba certified to pi bani.
Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah kicked off the 12th state-level Manipur Pineapple Festival at Kausabong Ground in Kausabong DC headquarters of Churachandpur district today. Speaking at the event organized by Manipur Pineapple Festival Committee, the governor lamented that state government is unable to export the much popular local pineapples in huge quantities outside Manipur due to high export price. Asserting that efforts are underway to export processed pineapple products, Dr. Nazma Heptullah maintained that export price of dried pineapple slices and powdered pineapples will be more affordable. Farmers displayed variety of pineapples in altogether 49 stalls. The governor also handed over Manipur Pineapple Farmers Award to farmers producing best pineapples on the occasion.
And health potent, there is a large potential for economic activity based on this horticulture crop to increase the income of the farmers. Demand is never an issue and there is a need to produce more while simultaneously taking up processing so that the fruits remain available throughout the year to enhance its economic viability. The shelf life of the fruit is rather short and the transportation cost of the state is formidably high, and as such, while some percentage of this wonderful product gets consumed in the state plenty gets wasted.
Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee (STDC) warned to ban any railway-related works by September 6 if Chief Minister Nothama Biren's assurance to take measures for inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list is not put into action by September 5. Speaking to media at the shrine of Kunthok Hanbi in Thamaiban today, STDC President Diras Yonam recalled that a mass rally took off on March 3 and took several resolutions for inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list. He claimed that Chief Minister Biren also assured to raise the matter in the State Assembly session, stating that committee's hesitation for the same to were on hold for some time due to election code of conduct, water scarcity issues and other resolved political scenarios. Diras condemned that government was silent over the matter for the last 6 months.
Railway construction ji thinge habisi akoi warepni aduga matamdu da details program kari makha lakadagi habadu tarik taruki mamang asai da koi soidana laksok sagani semiyam na khanganjani akoi maitai singasi ma ki Pongapam Lamda Mashda, Saidang, Olakadore Haba. Madam de Hogilam is open to all, me put the Magdalena, Hangdoga, Tambanina, Karimakangi, protection amata later Banina, Sigiga, Mari, Lena, as I railway, Laiba, Kambu, Duna, I could issue shuttle out together, boy, Laki Taragadi, Flood get a Hangbutona, Miam, Miramcha, Mayama Lakana, Koi Lepaxi, Manaman in Akarakon, Makaro, Pati, millionaire, Mayam Lakan, Migi Makuta, Mighty Bahibado, Aquilium Blataba, Cochin Chama Tagadi Kalubadi, quiet again as Hatiba. Railway ni akoi da akoi antithesis ori ba koi demand si oppose the laiba program pun maki mardam sina khwadi ko dogti da khal hairaga mai da koi target tau jawan.
Communist Party of India CPI Manipur State Council held its 72nd Foundation Day celebration at Manipur Huyen Lalong Thangtak Cultural Association Hall in Irilbung of Imphal East today. Kerala MP cum CPI Central Secretariat member Comrade Binoy Viswant also launched a drive to strengthen the party at the event. Speaking on the sidelines, MP Binoy Viswant stated that the country is in a vulnerable condition. He asserted that the BJP-led central government has defamed democracy. He called for a joint efforts after the ideology of the Irawat for a peaceful and welfare state.
They have got the mosaic in the true sense and they continue the struggle under the banner of Marxism. That's why we can say that we are all part of a great movement spread all over the continents. We have a communist fraternity in all countries, and that feeling of oneness tells us that threats may come, difficulties may arise, enemies may oppress us. Sometimes they will try to defeat us, even to kill us, but we tell them they can't kill us physically. They may be able to do it, but ideologically, spiritually, they can never kill the communist movement. They can never kill the communist party. They can never kill the communist ideology.
National Executive Member of Communist Party of India CPI Dr. Marang Temnara asserted that unrest in the state is due to inefficient governance. He expressed apprehension that Article 371 will be removed from Manipur and North states like the recent abrogation of Article 370 from Jammu and Kashmir.
Ngasigi samaj sida khoin uba phangi madi tangdu leita daba hana sunaba pik thalaba tahaidraba uhidraba wakhalon thaba kuto punamaksina numit khuni mangda sangchangna uribane ba masi raiti gi param soirak padagini masidagi chumthong horbada communist party mapangan kalan bagi tangai fatbale article 371 da abcd na koi awang nung poki lebe state singsior who knows kashmir di yarga manipur si next day the kari tor kadege si kanan haiba ngambage hujiki moidi absolute majority phangedra pangpong da pong Towning but the Togani Haibagi Bhabda, Shatare Porosida, Nasi Manipuri Prajana Langtang Nariva, Naga Court Kiwapam, State Territorial Integrity Kiwapam, Adi Burma border dispute Mam Punamakse, I coin a Pamja, Coin a Dabi Tori Punamaxi, Ona Tere but the Moin Topomo Taure Shibu, Hector Torpiadro.
Hill Tribal Council HTC has warned of intense hesitations if government failed to take necessary measures by August 28 on the alleged interference by Assam Rifles to commuters at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate. Speaking to media at HTC office in Moree today, HTC executive member Shaitong Hawkip alleged that Assam Rifles impede trade activities at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 1 and 1, 2, and other border areas. He added that their charter of demands on the matter were submitted to Forest Minister through Technopol DC on many occasions, but no actions are taken till date. All Manipur United Clubs organization Amuko in a press release strongly condemned the suspicious death of Riamai Chungangklu. Amuko urged its government to uncover the mystery behind her death at the earliest. Body of A. Uttamjit, who has been missing since August 18th on the road trip from Mori to Imphal, was found dead in the woods 1 kilometer away from Kongkang village at around 10:30 a.m. today. Uttamjit went missing after he got down from the vehicle for nature calls during the trip at Kongkang area. Police have been looking out for him and even a missing report was filed. Technopol police and forensic science team rushed to the spot and inspected the crime scene. They later took the body to keep at a mortuary for further investigation. Imphal East police arrested 2 persons with around 10,000 WY tablets worth around 10 lakh rupees in the local market today. The arrested persons are identified as 47-year-old Huidrom Rajan, son of late Udoy from Kanchipur, and Maibom Basanta, son of late Mohori from Basikong Maibom Tleikai. Police arrested Huidrom Rajan while frisking at Kiamgai Carrot Holt area around 2:30 p.m. and they arrested Maimom Basanta near Sagolban Moirang Klairak around 3:30 p.m. A team of Thawal Commando has seized Indian-made foreign liquor worth over 5 lakh rupees from an individual. Police have also apprehended 2 other miscreants upon interrogation. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Thawal Commando under the supervision of Thawal District SP, Dr. S. Ibomcha, led by additional SP Operation Sachidananda Soibam, conducted cordon and search operation at Khongzom Jingthang Maninglaikai around 1:30 p.m. yesterday. The team confiscated illegal foreign liquor worth around 5,79,600 rupees at the residence of one Kangembomd Abhiram. Police arrested a miscreant who tried to flee the scene, terrified by the tribe. The arrested person is identified as 33-year-old Jafed Bara from Liwa Likhund of Chandel district. Police arrested 2 other miscreants upon interrogating Jafed. The 2 other miscreants are identified as 35-year-old Lemapopam Chandrakumar, son of El Tomba from Khongzom Chimthang Maninglaikai, and 30-year-old Kangembam Pritam, son of K.H. Abhiram. The miscreants and the seized items were handed over to Thawal Excise Department. A combined Thawal Commando team also arrested a man with 15.02 grams of heroin powder worth around 50,590 rupees in the local market at Sangai Yumphom today. The team supervised by SP Dr. S. Ibomcha and led by additional SP T.H. Disorsit, SDPO Thawal and Bishorzit, officials of Thawal Police Station and Thawal Women Police Station also seized 2 mobile phones and containers used for keeping the contraband drugs. Thawal Police Station registered a case against the miscreant for further investigation. Acting on a tip-off, a combined team of 43 SAMP rifles and Mori Commando apprehended a suspected gather of proscribed Pripak Pro near Indo-Myanmar border today. The arrested person is identified as 31-year-old Ahibam Drabi alias Newton, son of late Mangi from Dwangzing Awang Klaikai. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh taking oath as a member of the Rajya Sabha today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh today took oath as a member of the Rajya Sabha. The oath was administered by Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu. Manmohan Singh has come back as a member of the Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan. He was elected unopposed as the BJP did not put out a candidate against him. The former Prime Minister returned to the Rajya Sabha after a brief gap since his retirement from the upper house on June 40 this year. He had earlier represented the state of Assam in Rajya Sabha. Forest and Environment Minister Thonawjim Shyamkumar has stated that only government cannot preserve the environment without public cooperation. He was speaking at the sidelines of an inspection visit at Bamboo Nursery and Van Mahotsaba Nursery Center in Baiboni, Jiribam today. Jiribam DFO Ubomcha and SP Mobi accompanied the minister. He hoped that the 16th lakh wood bamboo nursery set up under National Bamboo Mission at Baiboni will contribute in improving the surrounding environment to a great extent. He also inspected Forest Range Office, police package post and migrant checkpoints at Jirimok.
Interview Salakanta, the Pine Packet of Mamsi, Koisalagi and Dragadi, Quimatu Kanda, Adoni, Personal Lakana from Ziangiba, the Prime Minister Tamoshing and Subiramba, Amnisman Nazir Plantation, Wiloken Zingi, and Kogi, volunteers, Wakam Sinakanda, Jiribangi, Zagazi, Baiboni, Abizagazi, Prince London Masigi. Amadi Sumba area Sigi Bangi, District Sigi, Labor Hang Pumping, Sinadi Press of Tasalakanda, Zoom Calibus Totoni, Umangatapo Tony, and Economic Parani have the pound, the fine packet penny, a special lapani, I don't know, in my am hanging Madudi, we lum the most of Amadilamo Amagi, a Sangaman Talan Bada, women opening our top and them presenting a sober support Sangi, the Pametangamoy.
Smart Society, a subsidiary of Salai Holdings Private Limited, held one-day awareness program on the theme "There is no Planet B" at public school Wainam in Bisnupur district today. Various tree saplings were planted in and around the school campus under the initiative of Divisional Forest Office, Bisnupur on the occasion. Forest Range Officer S. Ratan Kumar, Secretary of Smart Society, N. Dhanapati, and Principal of Public School Wainam, Uthang Thonggram took part in the event. Education Minister Thokchom Pradesham has asserted that children are the true wealth of the society and not gold or estates. He was speaking at the inaugural event of a newly constructed building of Kanthok South Upper Primary School at Salungphomt in Khangabok constituency of Thobal district today. Minister Radhesham reminded that parents and teachers are equally responsible in molding a child for a successful and fulfilling life. DC Thobal, Jira Parishad and many people attended the event. B.Ed second-year pupil teachers held teaching aids exhibition at the multipurpose hall of DM College campus today. Speaking on the sidelines program in the charge of the Teaching Aids exhibition, Dr. T. Surendra stated that the exhibition aimed to facilitate teaching and learning process. Around 130 students of 12 schools also took part in the event. 3-month 7th economic census for Thobal district began today. DC Thobal and Badanna launched the program at Thobal DC office. She appealed to cooperate with census officials in data collection. She maintained that government will take up development projects based on the census data. Representatives of Common Service Center of the district and relevant departments attended the event. 'The Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization in a press release stated that the second episode for Meet the Prominent Personalities for a Successful Career will be held at Nambol Higher Secondary School on 25th August at 9 a.m. The first episode was held on August 4 and it will be held every first and last Sundays of every month. The third episode on the theme Role of Youths for Future of Manipur is scheduled on September 1 at 7 a.m. Krishna Janmashtami, the birthday of Lord Krishna, is being celebrated with religious fervor and gaiety across the country today. Manipuri Hindus also joined the celebrations. Devotees thronged to Sri Sri Govinda Temple, Hanuman Mandir and various Hindu temples in the state to offer prayers and seek blessings since morning. Different types of fruits and sweets were offered to the idol of Lord Krishna on the occasion. Manipur Gita Mandal held Krishna Janmashtami celebration at the Mandal today. Various religious rituals marked the day. IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit extended heartiest greetings to the people of the state, especially to the Hindu community on the auspicious occasion of Krishna Janmashtami today. The minister wished for the festival to bring a peace, prosperity and communal harmony in the state. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Janam Society and Airport Authority of India signed Memorandum of Agreement to open 4.94 crore rupees worth Accident Trauma Center at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science. Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Vihan Kalyan recommissioned Central Dairy Plant at Porompat. Governor Dr. Nasma Hafla kicks off 12th Manipur Pineapple Festival in Jorjampur. Governor worries over high cost in exporting local pineapples. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee warns to ban railway works by September 6 if Chief Minister's assurance for inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list is not put into action. Body of missing A. Uttamjit found in the woods 1 kilometer away from Kongkang village this morning. And former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh takes oath as member of the Rajya Sabha today.